The Fed cracked down on inflation, labor flexed its muscle, Twitter became X, AI took off, and a one-time Silicon Valley star reported to prison. Jared Hill has a look back at some of the biggest business headlines of 2023.
Elizabeth Holmes entered a federal prison in Texas to begin her 11-year sentence for fraud. It was a stunning downfall for the woman who founded Theranos, promising to revolutionize healthcare. Once the star of the cryptocurrency world, Sam Bankman-Fried had his day in court. The founder of the FTX exchange was convicted of 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy and could face decades in prison.
It's a warning to every single fraudster out there who thinks that they're untouchable.
To cool inflation, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates to the highest level in more than 2 decades. The rate hikes contributed to the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank in March, one of the biggest bank failures in U.S. history. Days later, Signature Bank went under, and in May, First Republic.
I'm angry at the economy and at the people that ran and drew their money out.
Rate hikes also hurt the housing market. A 30-year mortgage soared past 8% in the fall, driving buyers to the sidelines. Anticipating the end of rate hikes, the stock market climbed higher. By early December, the S&P 500 was up 20% for the year. Labor flexed its muscle with strikes from Hollywood to healthcare to the UAW. The big 3 automakers agreed to hefty wage increases to end a 6-week walkout.
It's definitely going to be life-changing for the people.
Some big-name bankruptcies in 2023. Rite Aid and Bed Bath & Beyond filed for Chapter 11, and WeWork's bankruptcy continued the downward spiral for what had been one of the world's most valuable startups. Fox News faced consequences for pushing lies of a stolen 2020 election. The media company agreed to pay nearly $800 million to settle a defamation lawsuit filed by Dominion Voting Systems. Stores hired extra security for holiday shopping after a wave of brazen robberies were caught on tape. Target closed stores in 4 states, saying the crime wave was jeopardizing safety. Twitter became X, and hundreds of advertisers pulled out after owner Elon Musk agreed with an anti-Semitic post. He said the boycott would eventually bankrupt the company.
I got some Bud Lights for us.
Bud Light also faced a boycott after a transgender influencer promoted the beer on Instagram. Right-wing media triggered the backlash, causing Bud Light's sales to slump. The AI company that released ChatGPT to the public had some drama in the C-suite. The board of OpenAI fired Chief Executive Sam Altman. Nearly the entire staff threatened to leave if he wasn't rehired. Within days, that's exactly what happened. And Barbie shattered the glass ceiling. The movie, directed by Greta Gerwig, passed $1 billion in global sales.
So cool.
That's a look at some of the year's top business stories. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.